I just heard that Emma Stone swears by the gelatin trick to kickstart her day, and I have to say, I'm a total convert too. I mean, who wouldn't want to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to go? For me, the gelatin trick has been a total game changer. It's like a warm hug for my insides. I used to struggle with bloating and sluggishness in the mornings, but since I started incorporating the gelatin trick into my daily routine, I've noticed a huge difference. My friend even commented on how much more energetic I seem, and it's all thanks to the gelatin trick. The way it helps my body absorb all the good stuff I put into it is just amazing. Now, I love starting my day with the gelatin trick. It's become a simple yet powerful ritual that sets me up for success. If you want to learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your morning routine, check out the link in my description below for a detailed rundown. And be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some helpful tips to get you started with the gelatin trick. Give the gelatin trick a try and see how it can transform your mornings too.